love it when I turn up the bass.
The
I'll show you where it's at.
I'll go slap a lock on the car battery door.
Oh, you fucking bitch, Connie.
yeah, they're making noise up there. He's on the ground.
Julie's
on the
dead.
ground. Could I? What do you want me to trap?
The ladder, fuse box, and then on top of bone room.
Getting car battery turned on now. Got the good battery swap.
Oh, you don't have the slaughterhouse? Slaughterhouse door. Okay. Alright. Oh, I got fuse, and then I'm gonna do this one, I think. This door.
We're trying to go up top of bone room. Connie, and you.
That Connie's, if he doesn't have one already, is probably gonna.
One of them already came up top. From,
Yep, I'm hitting her.
Where at? Where?
She's at the door.
Oh, Leland, I didn't even know you were here, but thanks. Leland's going towards slaughterhouse, sliding door.
I'm gonna double up all the locks on slaughterhouse real quick.
Now he just stabbed me in my back.
All locks on slaughterhouse are doubled up near the car battery.
I was looking this way, so I don't know what this way.
We've got Leland downstairs.
She got trapped. She got trapped.
Go get her.
I want to check something.
She's going back down. She's going back down.
Somebody check the door to,
So fuse box is on the left, right here.
somebody check generator, please.
Okay, I will.
We don't have anybody over there.
I will check generator.
And we have the facility
This door is
padlock
open.
off,
This
right?
door is open.
Oh,
They're in
go,
generator.
go. Generator. Papa, do you want to hang out near slaughterhouse just in case? I'll go help out. Never mind, you got it. I'll go the other way.
You guys come over here. I know where she's over here. In the grass. She's in the grass.
I've got Papa going
Papa, are you gonna come?
Yeah, I'm
over?
coming. I'm coming.
Okay.
Where's she at?
She's running,
Oh,
she's
she's
running
running
out.
well.
Exit.
I've got slaughterhouse.
Ah, no. Of course.
Both these,
Oh. Leland's at, I found Leland.
I see this
Okay,
guy.
I have the outside door trapped at the generator, so we can walk over it.
You want me to take a lock from,
No, go to your right,
Slaughterhouse?
go to your right.
Yeah, I know.
No, keep slaughterhouse locked. We need that lock.
Well, we have that lock broken.
Where does
Oh,
Leland?
Leland.
She's over here. She's over here.
Leland went through the wall. He's right there.
He's gonna come back to you because he knows again. Oh, he's dead.
Got him. Good job.
Connie might try to come
Who's
up
in the
ladder.
back?
Do we have ladder trap? Who's in the back or where?
I don't know where she went.
Where are we at though?
She
Who are we
was
talking
in the back of ladder. Left back of ladder.
about? Oh,
I don't know where she went exactly.
okay. She might be trying to grab fuse, so just check your trap at the fuse box.
Some person disconnected.
check the
Yep, Anna's going towards fuse box right now.
I trapped
generator.
it. It's still trapped. It's still trapped. Fuse box
Oh,
is
somebody got trapped in the generator. Generator door's open too, man. This is why I'm telling you, pay attention. I need help over here.
Okay, I'm going towards.
She's probably gonna break the gen.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, nope. She went to the door first. I got Connie on me. Oh,
She's
yeah,
trapped.
pincer.
Is she going down the well?
Go for it. Go for it.
She's gonna try. She's got the well. Yeah, she went down the well. Connie down the well. Hitchhiker, you have to stay in this area now.
Alright,
This building
sounds good.
is compromised.
Anna's still upstairs somewhere.
I'm gonna go check for it on the other building. Because she can't open the lock instantly, so that buys me time. I've got all my padlocks still up as well.
Trapping it right now. Just trapping that door. Other door.
Yeah. Slaughterhouse is open, but not the backside.
Connie's got to be up top of bone one, maybe. We got to start feeding Grandpa if we got blood.
So, generator just needs to be kicked.
They took fuse, so I'm gonna go check fuse box.
It is
Not in
trapped.
Slaughterhouse. Right now, but I'm not hearing shit.
Alright. This trap's good.
Getting Grandpa.
Make sure you're just listening out for them. I'm gonna check generators in case Connie wanted to go that way.
I see one on the fucking fuse box.
On the
It's
fuse
Connie.
box.
Yeah, you must have walked past them.
Must have waited.
They flipped it, they flipped it.
Yeah, they put it in there.
Did they get it though?
No, they didn't do it, I don't think.
He's going down.
Are they both going down or just her?
Just her.
I'm gonna go to the generator then.
One's by Grandpa.
Yeah, this is not me going for generator. Oh, you caught her with a trap.
The main door. Main door.
I'm just sitting by fuse.
Where'd she go to?
I've got Connie with me in the fucking cutting room.
Where'd she go?
She went the other way. Back out, probably. Yep, back out. The door to the right. You need to cut her off.
Anna's trying to do fuse.
Okay.
Set that trap.
Yeah, I'm resetting it. I'm gonna actually pick it up, actually. Put it like...
Move it somewhere new, probably.
Yeah.
They didn't double back, did they?
I'm not sure.
They're
They
not
might
out.
have.
Yeah, they're not out here. They might have doubled back.
Anna's
There's
going
no way-
towards the ladder right now. Anna is.
Yeah. They double back.
Not sure. The door's open. She
She's
got the
kicking
gate.
kicking Jen, kill her.
Block her off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pincer her. You go for it.
You got her. She's healing. Swing.
Anna's coming too, so.
She is? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, she was coming that way, yeah.
Swing the door. Alright.
I don't want to leave fuse up, though.
We knocked one down. One down well.
Yeah, fuse is ready to be done, so I gotta stay up here. Cause
Yeah, you're good, bro. Don't worry about it.
the trap needs to get reset.
Yep. Oh, the fuse trap. Okay, yeah. I will go.
I could sit here, hitchhiker. You just need to go. Yeah, when you're done checking the fuse. Alright. Slaughterhouse, all the locks are still up.
They're getting a toolbox right now.
They might go for slaughterhouse. Because we're covering this area pretty heavily.
I have sliding door.
The door to slaughterhouse is open.
Yeah, but I have it. I have it.
The red one or the sliding door?
The sliding door is open.
Yeah, the sliding door is open. I found one. Went down a well.
Who was it? Anna or Connie?
Yeah, it was Anna.
Alright, yeah. So she was coming.
Connie's over there too. She's heading for red door.
They're doing pressure valve.
Pressure.
Somebody's got to go down there and turn it off, and they're just gonna hit you.
I heard it. I don't know where.
I know where it's at. Just go watch fuse. Just go watch the fuse box.
Okay, I'll go watch.
I mean, they're just gonna stab me in my back, but.
Oh, one of them's in car battery. I'm going.
Inside the back, the car battery, or the.
They're at least in the building.
Anna's gonna do pressure valve down here. Put a trap near pressure valve. She's waiting. Got her. She's dead. Pressure valve's still gonna open though.
Yeah. Well, we still got one at slaughterhouse.
Yeah, I can't close this. No way.
Found Connie. Connie's heading towards fuse. Fuse.
I'm just gonna leave pressure valve open.
Pressure valve is open.
Yep,
Found her. She's running back into slaughterhouse.
She's gonna go out that red door.
Okay.
Yep. Go to the red door.
Yeah, I'm going to red door.
I hope you trapped the pressure valve.
She just smacked me with a door. She's healing.
I'm setting trap in the front door.
Hurry. She's going.
Trap. Front door is trapped.
Nice. Yeah, fuck her up. Hit her.
Get over here, girl. Got the 4K.
Good job, gang. Woohoo!
Talk trash down.
Nice try.
Don't be toxic. That was a good game.
GG's.
99% on that gen. You guys got there just in time.
GG.
Jeez.
Yeah. I got front trap. I'm about to go to the back. So the bottom stairs like right here too, I guess. At the very top on this one.
Yeah, where the fuse box usually is.
I found Leland. Leland's up here.
That means they're probably gonna try to push window.
Leland's in the fucking main room over here. Leland's going to the room that you're just in, hitchhiker.
Okay.
There's a Sunny in here too.
He's jumping out window. Open window.
Close the door. Close the door, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll catch Sunny.
Here, you guys stay out here. And I'll go back.
Sunny's dead. Leland's running towards generator. Alright, he's down well. But now the window. Now you might, if you don't have that, since they didn't get trapped out here, you got to put your trap inside the window.
Yeah, I will.
That trap's good. I'm
Okay,
gonna break
Windows
all this
trap.
stuff up here.
Windows trapped.
All my locks are down.
Yeah, so
Okay,
where
this
your
trap
traps
is
are
good.
now, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Leland's still in the basement. Leland's up red stairs. Red stairs. He's coming straight toward you, Hitchhiker.
I hit him.
He's heading.
He's going to the right. Two stairs. He's going up.
Oh, he's tripping.
We're getting trapped.
All right, let's check the backside.
Side yard, side yard, side yard, side yard. It's not Connie though. I'll go by myself.
Oh yeah, she made it through. She made it through.
Made it through where?
Connie.
Made it.
To the side. To the side. She's out here. She's out here. She's in the grass somewhere. She's right here. She's right here. I see her. She's on me. On my right. On my right. She's right here.
Go ahead, you can chase her around. Go ahead, go ahead, go. You go that way, and I'll go this way.
I'm gonna go get the other bitch.
Did you see her?
while you guys are gone.
Yeah, I seen her.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
I can't see right now, but she's by that little. She's in that grass area right there. She didn't jump over. Keep her right there. She might go to your right. Oh my god, I got stuck. No way. Oh, I missed that? No way.
Got it. Oh,
Get over here.
Perfect. Alright, we're going,
Now we're
back
missing Julie.
Anna. She's out front.
She's out front?
Out front. You got through my lock.
okay, I opened it.
On me. He's going down a well. Down the
Perfect,
well she
okay.
goes.
Alright, I'm gonna lock the door.
Wait, let me
I
get through there. Let me get through there.
Let me get in too. Here, this door has a lock on it, so I'm going to.
Both
take my
stairs are
lock.
locked. Okay, we still need the side. We still need that side door to lock. the gate's open. Did you close the gate?
Well, she's the last one. She's the last one, so she's in the basement somewhere.
I'm securing the property. Okay.
Try to use your hearing cook, because I'm down here, so she'll probably try to run away or somewhere.
I am trying to listen.
Oh, I forgot to turn on the car. I forgot because we were too busy inside. Let me do that real quick. I forgot to do that. She could have just easily escaped. Right there.
Near red stairs. Heading towards your room.
All three traps are good.
You just went through here and down. Somebody left this door open. Bet she's gonna come through here. This door. Yeah, she snuck across. She just touched something.
Where?
Side yard underground. She's all the way out there. Side yard. On me.
That's where she's at?
Yep, she's on
Yeah,
me.
the dead end area.
I hit her once. She's going down ladder. Well, sorry.
Yeah, I'll be able to get her in a second.
Let out.
Let out. That means I killed her, right?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, she's dead. He's demolishing her right now.
Another
She's
4K.
being chainsawed. Good job.
Yeah, I forgot. I totally forgot about car door because we had that house on lockdown.
Yeah, we got
Or the-
lucky they didn't get out.
Yeah.
Very lucky.
GG's, GG's.